Welcome back, my friends. Today I am here with an up-close video release from Spellbinders. This release is very small, but there is a couple things I wanted to share with you. So I went ahead and decided to do the up-close. There's only 2 releases this month. This release here is Love on the Rocks. It's a very small release. There's only 3 items in it. There's 1 die set and 2 better press plates. So this set here is actually called Love on the Rocks. It's got your little glass with decoration. Then it's got ice cubes to float in the glass. And you got multiple layers to build your glass. I actually don't really care for the black on the outside. I think this would look better to make it more look crystal, maybe silver on the outside to make it kind of look crystal. Holographic maybe on the outside. That's just my thoughts on it. I don't really care for the black, but I love the strawberry heart. I think that's adorable. The strawberry heart, the little love that goes on the straw. I think that's kind of cute. This almost looks like a martini, you know, or you could put like a martini thing, and then the chocolate covered heart, strawberry. So it's got a little creation in there. But, oh, and they're little confetti hearts that float in the top of the drink. I would have thought the ice cubes would be floating, but the actual confetti hearts are floating. So that's kind of interesting. Now, the sentiments. This is a very interesting set. That's all I'll say. But the sentiments are cute. Clink, sip, and smile. And I'm thinking they're thinking New Year's, maybe. New Year's, Valentine's. Cheers to you. Toasting to love, laughter, and happily ever after. Wedding. That's a great wedding sentiment. Cheers to us on Valentine's Day. Very sweet. Sending a toast to a love-filled day. It's nice for a couple. And then there is this background plate. I had reservations about this. I have not pressed it yet, but if you look at this closely, what do you see? Well, I envision this as the actual human heart here. I don't know if it is supposed to be, but that's what it looks like to me. Now, that being said, this would be great for a nurse. All those nurses out there, or nursing students. Or, if you're like me, and what I like to do in these cards anyways, or like that, and build your card. Which is what I would do in a case like this. Because I love these florals. I don't care for this part. But I indeed love these florals. So, of course, this isn't the color I'd use, but I'm just saying this is from my last project. But this, I love. You see how gorgeous these flowers are? I'm just not too keen on this part. But now, my daughter, who's a registered nurse, would probably get a kick out of this. But I don't know. Does it look like a heart to you? Like a real human heart? I'm not sure. But I think this is gorgeous, 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 gorgeous. And we have a couple sentiments. It says, my love grows in sending love. So those are 2 sweet sentiments. And it does have a die, so you can use those anywhere. So that is Love on the Rocks. And then I wanted to show you a close-up of these. Now, these house mouse, I believe, have been on the website for a little while. But when I saw them offered, I kind of got a little confused. And they looked like, especially this one, looked like a lot of work. And I was like, oh, I don't know if I want to color that. You know, that's a lot of bottles. But when I looked a little closer, it actually isn't. It actually is only 1 bottle. And this is a lot more manageable for me. To me, this would be a lot better as a get well card. This is my amount of coloring that I want to do. And the sentiment, which they never show you on the front of these: thank you for taking care of me. Wishing you a speedy recovery. We need more sentiments like this, guys. You're so great, even germs like you. I love that. I love that, especially for a child. You're so great, germs love you. I love that. And this says squeaky voice serum is what that says right there. So this is a definite one for your basket. I love this. But looking at it like this, it's deceiving. So that's why this up close was important, because of this stamp to me. Because this is invaluable information to know. So this one here also is a little deceiving because of all this background. That makes it look so intimidating. But when you look at it like this, it's just so sweet. 4 little babies, mama, knitting socks. Time together as a family is a gift. Happiness comes one stitch at a time. Thanks so much, SEW. Love it. This one here is just called Cheers. And that one's pretty much what it looks like. Friendship's the wine of life. Savor life's sweet moments and let's celebrate. So that's more of a New Year's kind of, nod. And then this one here is wishing for spring. And this one is pretty much like it looks, except for that wintry background. It's not in the picture. The stamp is small but sweet. It's adorable. And the sentiments here are: where flowers bloom, so does hope. My thoughts are with you, and good things take time. So those are your 2 collections this month. And, up close look at them, because that's, to me, is important to share. So I hope this has been helpful. I may or may not be able to do them in the new year. It just depends on, demand of time, what products I receive, things like that. But when I am able to bring them to you, I will definitely bring them to you, especially when I see a need for an up-close video. So I appreciate your time. All the links in all my videos are always down below in case you're interested in anything. Those links are affiliate links, and they always support me in my efforts. So thank you for allowing me to inspire you with my work, and I will see you in the next crafty video. Bye-bye, my friends.